In this Balboa video, we're going to be doing an Uphold Basic to toss out or toss outs. Okay, we'll show you what it looks like first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's talk about it, Dick.
All right, so what I'm going to do right after my basic is separate from the partner. I'll show you what that looks like. I do the basic, I'm in closed position. 1, 2, up, hold, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right from here on count 1, I separate from the partner, turn clockwise for my 1, 2, 3. Watch this. Rock, 2, 3. From here, I'm going to hold count 4. I'm going to hook with my right foot, which is the available foot. Keep us going around in a circle. I'm going to go hook. I'm going to step back. I'm going to cross kick on 7. Step down 8 and throw the hand. I pick her up 1, 2, 3, and I hook 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so let's do it from this side, I think.
Okay.
So this is the Uphold Basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. He turns, he does like an out and in, but turns a quarter turn to your right. So it looks 1, 2, 3. We're going to hold 4. He's going to step down or do you hook? I don't know.
I'm going to separate. I'm going to kind of step 6, 7, step 8. Then I get ready to pick her up with this hand.
Okay,
I'm
let me
going to
just
toss that hand.
He's going to toss the hand, which is going to make me turn to my left. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go.
I go left foot.
1, 2, 3.
Step back in. I'm still separated though.
And then he finishes the come around.
I hook my foot.
5, 6, 7. That was to do 1. Now we'll do 2 in a row. So we'll start. Let's do a different angle. Let's do right here.
Okay, basic first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Separate.
1, 2, 3.
Separate.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
Back to
3.
front.
5,
Back
6,
away.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Then when done,
5, 6, 7.
basic. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so I want to explain it one more time from this angle here. So he gives me the out and in, and he turns a quarter to the right.
We go.
1, 2, 3, hold 4.
This is where I back away.
5, 6,
Here's I kick.
7, 8. I'm going to turn to my left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And
I'm
we're
gonna
going to
do
do
it again.
multiples. We're going to
So I'm
go
going to hook my foot and back away.
5, 6, 7, 8. I turn around. 1, 2, 3.
I figure I'm done. I finish my come around for a hook.
5, 6, 7.
Back
Hold
to
8.
basic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We threw the turnaround, come around, and it's in one of our previous videos how to do a come around. So anyway, that is how you do a toss out from an Uphold Basic. See you later. Bye bye.